What is going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be putting that pan on, F-body oil pan, onto the LM7 5.3. Let's get it, baby. Alrighty guys, so now we are going to put the windage tray on and we're going to torque it down to 18 foot-pounds. That's our spec, 18 foot-pounds for the windage tray. I got my torque right here and I'm going to set it to 18 foot-pounds real quickly. 18 right here, boom, 18. We got it at 18 foot-pounds. Now we're going to put our windage tray bolts on. That's 18. $18. $18. $18, baby. 18. 18. Here's our last bolt for the windage tray. Bam, 18. So that's good. All of that's done. Now we're gonna put on our oil pickup tube. This is the most crucial part right here, guys. You wanna make sure you torque this down to spec. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna be putting on our oil pickup tube and I'm gonna just kind of dry out the sides of it. This is the most crucial part, guys, because obviously if you don't torque your pickup tube to the correct spec, which is 9 foot-pounds, you could possibly get air sucked into your engine and cause a bunch of problems. So make sure you get this down correctly, guys. I think I might have to drill right here. I'm gonna drill right here real quickly, guys, because I'm trying to make sure this thing is flushed with it. Alrighty guys, so I made a little drill. I had to do a little adjustment on it, but everything should work out fine. Now we got one more bolt, and that's gonna be for our into the windage tray. So let's put that one down, see if it even fits, and it does fit perfectly. Let's tighten this baby down, baby. It's right there. 18 foot-pounds, that's the last bolt we got. Make sure everything's on there tight. Everything's on there tight. 9 foot-pounds on the pickup tube. And we're looking good, guys. Now we gotta get the actual pan on along with our new gasket. So let's get that done. RTV silicone gasket maker, and we're gonna put it on our gasket. And this is gonna only be 4 points on the oil pan, so I'm gonna do this corner up top here. So good little dab. Our oil pan on. I got the torque specs is gonna be 18 foot-pounds for the oil pan. So let's go ahead and put this baby on. The pan is on. Now we just gotta get the bolts in, but everything needs to be lined up, guys. So I'm gonna use this long thing to kind of adjust the gasket. Kind of like got out of just a little bit, like it barely got out of like place, whatever. So I'm gonna use it to kind of aim it up correctly. all set. Here it is, guys. F-body oil pan on. Everything's buttoned up. 18 foot-pounds on these bottom ones. And we are all set to go. F-body oil pan, baby. One step closer to putting it in the F-body. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos on my channel. I'm out. Peace.